To all of you, and thank you so much for taking out time this morning and being a part of this session. And thank you, Study Metro, for organizing this event. My name is Meenakshi. I work with Kaplan, and we work with Arizona State University as an extended recruitment and marketing arm for ASU globally. We'll take you through quickly about some of the programs and where the ASU is located and what are the courses which you can apply. Now, some quick brief about university. ASU has over 1 lakh plus international and domestic students. It has 5 campuses. ASU is ranked as one of the public university. We've got 13,000 plus international students. And the best part is, ASU has a federal grant funding of around 546 billion research funding that goes to the grads and undergrads both. ASU hosts, 5 professors from Nobel laureate and 6 from Pulitzer, which is again close to a Nobel Prize only. Going further, we'll talk about some of the ranking facts because that's what you are interested to know more about. ASU is #1 innovative university. It has been ranked by US News from last 5 years. In fact, for 2020 as well, we are ranked as #1 innovative university. It's a largest public university. It is the #1 public university chosen by international students, and it is also ranked for international student as the best buy. ASU, in terms of location, Arizona State University, as name goes by, is located in Arizona, which is an adjacent state to California and New Mexico. ASU is located in Phoenix City. Phoenix is the 5th largest city in the United States. And the advantage is ASU is connected to California, which is, we all know, is a tech state of United States, where we have a lot of industries which recruit regularly from ASU. We have discussed, how far the San Francisco is or how far the Los Angeles and San Diego is. They're barely 2 to 1 hour flight, which you can take and visit those places for internship or for job, or you can drive down as well. If you want some more ranking facts, which are globally global ranking, US ranking of top 60. ASU is ranked as top 150 university, that is Shanghai ranking. World ranking overall by QS is 212. World ranking overall is 126. That's for Times Higher Education. These are a few more ranking facts which I skipped. If you want to know more about the university, and we all follow the US News ranking, particularly for US education. Now, looking at the undergraduates fact sheet, which you can refer and always go back to Study Metro if you want to have more details, but I'll take you through quickly about the top programs. Undergraduate Business School is ranked as top 30th. Undergraduate Engineering Programs, which has more than 250 engineering courses and majors, has been ranked as 30th best engineering program. We've got Graduate Supply Chain Management Program, which is ranked 3rd in the United States. And we've got 29th Best B School, which offers multiple courses, around 10 business graduate programs. We've got engineering, which is computer sciences, is ranked 29th overall. And then overall engineering school, which is at grad level, is ranked 45. And we've School of Education, Nursing, and Supply Chain, which you can always refer to. Now, some facts about graduates being hired and the placement statistics, which I'm sure everybody's more keen to know. ASU is being ranked as top 10th university, where almost top 25% of the Silicon Valley companies has been hiring from last many years. That's the kind of reputation ASU holds. So if you see, we are ahead of Michigan. If you see, we are ahead of University of California, Los Angeles, or North Carolina, and multiple other universities, of course. For instance, even Penn State. Now, employability is another fact I wanted to cover, since we again have very less time. ASU graduates finds a job within 90 days of graduation. Undergraduate students have got 87% of a employment rate, which means the other students, that doesn't mean that they don't get a job. They choose to go back to their homeland to pursue their other aspirations. In terms of graduates, 90% of the graduates get a job in the US within 90 days of graduation. And we've got ASU is being ranked as number 9 for job placement for business graduate students. That's a Bloomberg ranking. It's also placed at number 5 for producing best qualified graduates. That's a Wall Street ranking. These rankings have actually changed, and I apologize for not updating these slides. And again, I said it's among the top 10th universities, which where ASU, where top 25% of the Silicon Valley companies has been hiring graduates from. This is a data from hiringsolve.com. So you can refer to these ranking agencies. I'll skip a few of the slides. Via Kaplan, we recruit for undergraduate, graduate, international pathway courses and transfer students. So you have any question pertaining to any of the entry-level requirements or what courses you should be applying at ASU, you can always reach to Study Metro, and they'll be happy to assist you throughout the process. What else? We offer 350 bachelor's degree majors and concentration on nearly 200 master's degree program. Overall world ranking for business courses is 44th. We are world top 75 computer science institute, and computer science is really difficult to get through. If you want to know more specific entry level requirement, you can type your questions in the chat box. I'll be happy to take those personally, or maybe you can reach through Study Metro to us. We'll be happy to assist you. Business analytics is ranked world number 11 business analytics program. Just to let you guys know, business analytics is not offered in the spring semester. It's a once in a year program, which is only offered in fall. Yeah, environmental studies is another top program which we offer. For more information for ASU, you can always reach out to our website, which is asu.edu. Or you can also find more information about the programs on the Kaplan website as well, which is kaplanpathways.com/ASU. You can know more about the admission requirement through Study Metro as well by visiting their office or taking the virtual counseling as per the current scenario. You have any questions, you can just put it in the chat box. I'll be happy to take those questions personally. I'm not sure if I can help you further, but thank you so much for your time.